On your marks, get set and go. These are 30 LinkedIn ideas for your next 30 days. Rapid fire round. Number 1, introduce who you are. Number 2, tell everybody where are you from and what do you do currently and where are you living. Number 3, tell them what do you do apart from your current job, current internship, current working profile. Number 4, tell them about the recent updates in your industry. Number 5, tell them about the new college assignment you're doing or the new project you're working on in the office. Number 6, show them a picture of you drinking coffee. Number 8, show them a picture of you working on a laptop and a post to talk about 3 tools that you use at a business on a regular basis. Number 9, show them what is it that your relationship is with your work. Number 10, show them how much do you like your office. Number 11, show them if you are an anchor that you do that too on the side so that they or a corporate can reach out to you and tell you something more. Show that you're a Chelsea fan so that they can reach out to you. Show that you are into sports, they can reach out to you. Show that you are into baking, they might reach out to you. Anything can happen. Number 13, stick to your niche. How to find your niche? Number 14, pen down everything that you're good at. Circle down things that you're better at. Double circle the things that you are better at, which you want to become the best at. Now, number 14, show a picture of your old story from 2019 that you were not that confident that you are right now. People love motivational stuff also, but we will not become a motivator only on LinkedIn. Number 15, tell them your relationship with your work. Is it good? Is it okay? Number 17, show them 5 struggles that somebody faces in your industry. Number 17, show them 3 tools they can use to productivize their own days in your industry again. Show them that. Number 18, show them what is it that you learned from your mentor. Number 19, tell them to check out your profile because you updated a new cover picture. Number 20, upload a new profile picture, post about that. Number 21, a quote, a thought that you have in your head. Number 22, post about something which is a campaign that you liked because you are into marketing or you're into AI or tool that you liked or something new that you're exploring or a course that you joined. Number 23, celebrate an occasion like you joining a job, you joining an internship. Number 24, tell them what is it that your day looks like. Sometimes it's okay to do so too. Number 25, talk about your colleagues and how they are, if that is relevant to you. If that is not relevant to you, talk about what is it that you love doing after work. How do you separate yourself from work? Number 26, take a picture with somebody at an event, post about it. Number 27, go to such events, post about the event and whatever you learned from the event. Number 28, attend workshops like these, take your learnings, post the learnings on LinkedIn. Number 29, post a picture of you in 2010 and 2023. They will love that too. Share your journeys. Post number 30. Are you all ready for the last one for right now? Yeah. Show both the sides of you when you're working and when you're not working. Show both the sides of you when you're happy, when you're sad. Show both the sides of you. You're not always productive. Sometimes you're overly productive. Show both the sides of you because people need to see real people. Be authentic is the last key for your 30 content ideas. Rapid fire, done in exactly 3 minutes and 54 seconds.